It has been a long day for me, and if it's been a long day for you as well, then you are in the right place, because tonight we're going to be getting relaxed, getting unready. The thing that helps me most with relaxing is taking a shower. Ideally, I like to do it as soon as I get home, but sometimes I'm too hungry. We're gonna light some candles, take a vibey shower. Let's do it. Lighting candles tonight because today was just extra tiring, and I feel like if you've had an extra tiring day, you need to put extra effort into being extra with your self-care. A lot of extras, but it's worth it. This is what I do every single night. So the products I'm using are all very simple. I'm gonna start off with a face wash. This is the Fresh Soy Cleanser that I bought a little tiny bottle for it because I just think it's so cute. And it's easier to squeeze from this kind of pump bottle than it is to squeeze from a tube. So got a bit of that. I found that what really helped my skin become better and less acne-y was only using my fingertips to wash my face and not using any force, not using my nails, which I used to do as a teenager a lot. Next, we're gonna do moisturizer. As always, I'm using this Origins Ginseng moisturizer, which smells like orange. I briefly changed to Emoji moisturizer, but it was too light for me and my skin gets really dry, especially here in France. Lip balm, we've got Lucas Papa's ointment, which is the best lip balm that anybody could ever find. And finally, for perfume, we are going for Hermès Jardin sur le Nil. It smells so good. Sealing my shower and skincare routine with perfume somehow makes everything feel wrapped together and complete. Hello, it's dinner time. Tonight we are having leftovers and some quick noodles because I'm so hungry I can't think anymore. The noodles are cooking, so while they're cooking, let's have a chat. I feel like everything since I moved to Paris 4 months ago has just been moving so fast. I've been much more occupied with just relaxing and not having to be so like running on a hamster wheel all the time. I picked up a part-time job at an organization that I'm such a massive fan of, and it's just a dream that it's happened for me, so I've been like putting a lot into it, putting a lot of time into it as well. For dinner, we have this incredible, such a fragrant meal. It is leftovers from a Zoom cooking session that I had with my mom and my cousin earlier this week. And we made these 狮子头, which translates to lion heads. And these ones are vegan. They're made out of tofu and edamame, and they taste amazing. There's some Chinese cabbage and some noodles. Yum, yum, yum. Honestly, I was really grateful for the chance to cook with my mom because there's so many recipes of hers that I miss, or just the taste of her cooking that she was able to teach me. And we've done like 3 of them so far. I've gathered 6 recipes or so. I'm just really happy, you know? So, you're sitting on my sofa right now, and we are progressing into the phase of the night that's called planifier et organiser ce que je vais faire demain. And just wrapping up some loose ends of stuff that might be due tomorrow, but didn't have time to do today. Usually I like to go over my calendar for tomorrow and show you guys what I'm doing tomorrow, if you guys are curious. This is like one of the busiest days. Tomorrow's one of the busiest days that I've had, that I will. Here's the calendar for tomorrow. I'm actually more busy than I thought. I have 3 work meetings, and then I have lunch with friends. I'm calling Tiff, and I'm having a movie night at Nicole's place with the girls. One of my work meetings is a look back meeting, which is kind of cute. Each person is making one slide in the deck about how their personal life went in this year. So everybody is kind of up to speed. And because I started this job only 2 months ago, this will be a cool chance for me to present myself. So I need to make the deck for that now. Voila, here's the look back. There's me at home with my parents for the winter, me sitting my Oxford finals, finishing the degree, moving to Paris. A picture from my birthday party with my beautiful friends, and then finally starting my new job. I have this habit of ending up on Instagram at 1 a.m. and being like, I hate myself, why did I do this to myself? I just never make time for what I think is gonna do me good. But we're gonna read and wind down. Guys, this is amazing. Good job, me. Nothing is the same when your body's dreary and your head is weary of things you choose to think. Will you remember me? Will you remember me?
From what I think is the most recent to the person who has been here the longest. So you can all guess who this is, either by our expression on the call or through the photos.
You're an absolutely chosen to work with. Thank you for your amazing energy and hard work.
It still remains. You are simply effortless, and you breathe so much life